If customers in the United Kingdom are seeing prices in euros instead of British pounds, or if the wrong currency is appearing anywhere in your Shopify store, it can create confusion and reduce customer trust. Shoppers are much more likely to complete a purchase when prices are displayed in their local currency. Fortunately, incorrect currency display issues in Shopify are usually caused by a few settings that can be fixed quickly. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to fix the wrong currency showing in Shopify, even if you're completely new to the platform. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard and go to Settings. From there, click Markets. Shopify Markets controls how your store behaves for customers in different countries, including which currencies they see. Inside the Markets section, review all your active markets. If customers in the United Kingdom are seeing euros, open the market that includes the UK. Check which currency has been assigned to that market. If the market is configured to use euros instead of British pounds, click Edit and change the currency settings to GBP, which is the official currency code for British pounds. Next, verify that the United Kingdom is assigned to the correct market. Sometimes countries are accidentally added to the wrong market during setup. For example, the UK might have been included in a European market that uses euros. If that's the case, remove the UK from that market and add it to a separate market configured to use British pounds. You should also confirm that Shopify Payments is enabled. Multi-currency support in Shopify depends on Shopify Payments. Go to Settings and then Payments. Make sure Shopify Payments is active and properly configured. Without it, international currency features may not function as expected. Another common cause is your theme's country or currency selector. Go to Online Store, then Themes, and click Customize on your active theme. Check whether your theme includes a country selector or currency selector. Test the selector to ensure customers can manually switch to their preferred currency. If you're using a third-party currency conversion app, temporarily disable it and test your storefront again. Some apps conflict with Shopify Markets and override Shopify's built-in currency settings, causing incorrect currencies to appear. Browser cookies and geolocation can also affect currency display. Shopify often remembers a customer's previous market selection. Open your store in an incognito window or clear your browser cookies and cache before testing. This ensures you're seeing the most current market settings. Another important step is testing your store from different countries. Use Shopify's Market Preview feature or a VPN to simulate customer visits from various locations. Verify that customers in the UK see prices in pounds, while customers in Europe or other regions see the appropriate local currencies. If you're using automatic redirection based on customer location, review those settings as well. Incorrect geolocation settings can redirect visitors to the wrong market, resulting in incorrect currencies being displayed. After making changes, always save your settings and test the complete shopping experience, including product pages, cart pages, and checkout. Sometimes the storefront displays one currency while checkout displays another, so thorough testing is essential. If the wrong currency still appears after checking all these settings, contact Shopify support. They can review your market configuration and identify account-specific issues. So, to quickly recap, review your Shopify Markets settings, verify country assignments, enable Shopify Payments, test your theme's currency selector, disable conflicting apps, clear browser data, and thoroughly test different customer locations. In most cases, these steps will fix incorrect currency display issues in Shopify. I hope this tutorial helped you fix the wrong currency showing in Shopify. If it did, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more Shopify tutorials, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.